Well, you were probably told not to play with your food, right, when you were growing up. But what about building with it? Well, for the first time ever, the International Can-struction program is here in Bakersfield. What is Can-struction? Well, you're looking at it. It's building structures and creating art out of donated cans of food. Leadership Bakersfield and the Golden Empire Gleaners, along with several other local food banks, collected cans of food so that they can be built into a big design. And they had some expert help as well.
We were really fortunate to be able to pair up with the architecture. This is actually National Architecture Week, and so they stepped in, and obviously they're the ones that know how to make things happen and build things, so they create the designs and lay it out in a schematic that says you're going to need this many colors for this kind of design, and then we find the cans that match those colors and make it happen.
The can structures will be on display at Valley Plaza Mall from tomorrow through Saturday, and there will be an awards ceremony on the 19th. After that, the cans will be donated to Golden Empire Gleaners, the Community Action Partnership of Kern Food Bank, and Bakersfield College's Renegade Pantry.
We've seen that a lot across the country. A lot of homeless centers and missions, they have fundraisers where they build this stuff out.
That's
and then
fascinating.
It's a good way to get food in the pantries and have a cool art.
On a totally different tangent, hockey playoffs started tonight.
Yes.
And there's a restaurant in Montreal that made a Stanley Cup out of bacon.
Perfect.
It's on our Facebook page. I put it there.